fourth hack is, ano nga ba yung fourth? Alright. Sorry, I forgot. Hi guys, I'm Rose Gumera. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I am an internet marketing coach and entrepreneur. At the same time, I have my full-time job as a help desk. On my channel, I will be sharing to you, or I will be posting videos about tips and strategies on how to grow your YouTube channel from scratch and how to generate leads for your business with online video every single week. And also in my YouTube channel, you will learn how to build your audience and be your own boss on video marketing. Okay, and make sure to click that subscribe button and the bell notifications for new content, and comment below to introduce yourself. Ngayon, i-share ko po sa yung 5 hacks kung paano gumawa ng video sa bahay nyo or at home. So, first thing first is the lighting. Okay, kailangan natin yung lighting. So, make sure na yung lighting is hindi maliwanag yung background mo, tapos yung figure mo is madilim. Okay, so kailangan humanap kayo ng bintana sa bahay nyo para face the light. Okay, face the sa apartment na tinutuluyan ko, wala masyadong ilaw na magagaling sa labas. You can see, ganun yung itsura ng labas namin. So, kailangan ko ng magandang lighting. So, ganito dapat yung lighting nyo. And then, make sure na, hindi dark side yung dito nyo sa right side, tapos yung sa left side nyo is maliwanag. Okay. Wala kayong gaya dito sa apartment na tinutuluyan ko, kung wala kayong window na madadaanan ng liwanag ng araw. So, make sure na nakabukas yung lahat ng ilaw ng bahay. Tapos, kung may extra light kayo to make the balance ng lighting, pwede yung gamitin. So, as of now, I'm using my flashlight. This one. So, as you can see, kung wala to, see the difference. So, ito yung maging kalabasa. So, parang medyo maitim dito banda. Kasi, yung ilaw namin sa bahay. So, kung ibalik natin siya, okay. Much better. Diba? Okay. The second hack is the framing. So, sa framing, make sure na wala kayong, walang pusa or mga aso na dumadaan sa likod nyo. Make sure na naka-close yung door. Make sure na walang ibang tao na basa-basa nagpa-pop up sa likod. So, sa framing ko naman, ito yung wall. Ito yung ginagawa kong background ng video ko. Okay. So, ayun. And then, hanap na kayo ng magandang location sa bahay nyo na wala masyadong disturbance sa likod. Para yung focus ng audience nyo is nasa inyo. Okay? And then, the third hack is audio. Sa audio naman guys, hindi nyo kailangan bumili ng mamahaling mic. Whatever you have right now, just use it. Okay? Make sure na walang background music sa likod, gaya ng kanta, kasi maano pa din yan madidetect pa din ng YouTube na as copyright kahit hindi nyo nilagay sa video yung music na yun, as long as madetect yan ni YouTube. And then make sure na yung TV is naka-turned off light. And make sure na walang maingay na background sa environment nyo. Sa audio naman, so right now, I'm using my Vivo mic, this one, and the headset. So, I don't have an expensive mic. So, kung nagsisimula pa lang din kayo sa YouTube, huwag muna kayo mag-invest ng mga mamahaling equipment. So, mas mahalaga pa din ang content ng video nyo kaysa mga production. Quality over quantity. Okay? So, the fourth hack is your equipment. Okay. So, whatever you have right now, make sure na hindi shaky yung pag-capture ng video nyo. Kung meron kayong selfie stick, pwede na po yung gamitin. So, I have my mini Gorilla pad. Okay. So, ginagamit ko siya mostly pag may lakad. Ganun. Okay, so sa ngayon, ang ginagamit ko po is yung tripod ko. Okay. So, this equipment is very helpful para yung video nyo is maganda yung quality niya, hindi yung parang nag-earthquake tingnan. Okay? So, kung wala naman kayong wala kayong tripod, wala kayong selfie stick or Gorilla pad, pwede nyo naman ipatong yung cellphone nyo sa lugar kung saan hindi siya nag-move. Steady lang siya. Okay? And the last one, fifth hack natin is make sure na yung video nyo is naka-horizontal. Okay? So, guys, ganito yung itsura ko pag naka-up yung video nyo or naka-vertical yung pagkukuha nyo ng video sa phone nyo. So, I suggest much better na make sure na horizontal. Okay? So, that's it guys, kung paano kumuha ng magandang or professional video at home even though you don't have expensive equipment. So, just start whatever you have. Hindi nyo muna kailangan bumili ng mga mamahaling equipment to start your business on YouTube. So, kung anong meron kayo, be resourceful, okay? So, today, if you like my video, just don't forget to like, share, and comment down below kung may mga suggestions pa po kayo or may mga tanong po kayo, guys. Question of the day, ano po yung mga equipment na ginagamit niyo to shoot your video at home? Just comment it down below. Thank you for watching. See you!